Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to talk about one of the hottest opportunities right now, $200 instant commissions. If you're looking for a way to make fast, real money in 2026, then $200 instant commissions is something you need to see. So what exactly are $200 instant commissions? It's a brand new system where you can earn $200 instant commissions every single time you tap the ATM inside the platform. Yes, you tap, and the money hits your account instantly. This is real $200 instant commissions. No waiting, no delays, no complicated rules. You get paid immediately after every successful tap. A lot of people are jumping on this right now because $200 instant commissions is one of the fastest and simplest ways to generate daily income in 2026. Most methods make you wait days or weeks to see money, but with this system, it's truly $200 instant commissions, straight to your wallet. If you want fast cash flow and you're tired of slow-paying methods, then $200 instant commissions could be perfect for you. Here's why timing is everything. Because this is still very new, the people who get in early and start collecting $200 instant commissions now are going to make the most money. So if you're ready to start earning $200 instant commissions, I made it really easy for you. Click the link in the description right now and check out the system. Don't miss out on this. $200 instant commissions is moving fast, and the earlier you join, the better your position will be. Again, if you want to begin receiving $200 instant commissions every day, the link is waiting for you in the description and pinned comment. Click it and get started today. Picture waking up, doing a few quick taps, and seeing $200 payments coming in instantly. That's exactly what $200 instant commissions is giving people right now. One more time, if you're serious about making fast money with $200 instant commissions, click the link in the description right now and lock in your spot. This is one of the cleanest and fastest payout systems I've seen this year. Real $200 instant commissions on repeat. So go ahead and click the link in the description or pinned comment, check out the $200 instant commission system, and start collecting your first payments today. If this video got you pumped and you're ready to start earning $200 instant commissions, drop it in the comments and let me know you're in. Thanks for watching. Click that link right now, take action on $200 instant commissions, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's make 2026 your most profitable year yet.